Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Poco F4 GT, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. First of all, you need to go into settings and scroll down. Now choose additional settings over here and click on one-handed mode. After that, you need to click on this switcher to activate it and follow all of those instructions. So I have to swipe left or right from the center of the navigation panel. When I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is now on. If you're to go back into the standard one, you need to click on this area over here. If you wish to turn off one-handed mode completely, click on the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!